The restaurant is about 2 years old. It was born from this idea that you can very easily show to people moments of connection that exist in this global food landscape. Sometimes we know that one culture influences another, but rarely do we understand to what extent that is true. Good morning. How's it going? Morning. Morning, kid. Most cultures are the byproduct of consistent interaction. If that's true, then we are also the byproduct of consistent interaction. So by addressing the issue of food in this way, we also address a bigger issue, which is our disconnect, people's disconnect. So the restaurant was born out of this idea to try to use food as a larger picture that helps explain why is the world so weird? Why are we so afraid of one another? This right here is the stuff from yesterday. Let's try it out. Damn, that's strong. That's amazing. Try it. If you and I are from different backgrounds and we share a dish that we both connect with, then we're not that different. Thank you. We use metaphors like tofu is cheese and sauerkraut is kimchi. Why is it a mole, a Southeast Asian curry, and a Brazilian gravy? Why are they so similar? Food is what defines people's differences. For me, these differences are just circumstantial. They're not essential. How are we doing for lunch?
So we're 26 for lunch. First table 11:45, last table 2 o'clock. 12 o'clock, table 4, celebrating a birthday. We got a birthday here, yeah?
We know her, right?
And then last table, table 3, once a private table, 72-year-old mom is coming with him.
Cool. All right, guys, let's go have a good service. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you can spread it or you can just seat there.
All right, let's do this. Are we doing this hamachi or what? Yeah, we're firing 4 scallops as well, yeah? If we keep going like this, everybody's neatly paired, so don't drop the ball, please. Let's get this hamachi done quick. Service. Let's go. Come straight back for 4 crab, okay? Let's get that sauce up, please, Zoe. When we won our first star, I think for me more than anything, the sensation was one of relief. I mean that in the nicest way possible. That's not to say like we're the shiznit. It's just that we built a space that was really committed to providing good food, good service, in a nice atmosphere to people. It was more like a validation. The pressure was before. Is what we're doing recognizable to that degree? The place wasn't born to win accolades. But if you're doing good work, then good things are going to happen. It was great. It took us 3 weeks to recover from the celebrating. To be honest, the day after was a very hard day. But we were all very happy for it. Okay. So, where did we stop last time? Wintermelon, right? It was chrysanthemum or chamomile butter. What was the acidic? It was lime juice, right? And then here on top,
rosette.
and then we were in need of something crunchy, that's why that didn't work.
Or making like a pine nut brittle.
Yeah, way better. Try the brine. So that's the Filipino brine mango. Is that better than yesterday? She's tough to please, this one.
First table 6 p.m., last table 8 p.m.
Yeah, can we go through them? Who are they? What's going on?
At 6 p.m., the ones at the table is they have 2 elderly guests. Last 2 diners for the night, 2 one-tops. Wedding anniversary, wife is allergic to berries, spring onion.
Please watch out there, okay? Let's start strong first tables in at 6. We don't have a lot of time. Make sure everybody's ready. Yes, let's go. Guys, everybody tune in. You have to keep your hands flat. You're not cleaning enough the bottom of the spoon, so you're getting it to drip. Leos, I want to check doneness on that beef, okay? You need to nail that, yeah? Two of you, let's go. 3 prawn and 1 pasta. Service. Thank you very much, sir. I'm glad you've enjoyed it.
Thank you very much.
Not to worry. Thank you, and thank you for coming again, madam.